people. It's a lovely morning, still morning. This contest is regional, 8th day, 5th contest 1. We want to acknowledge our organizers, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, supported by College of Science, College of Engineering. We do appreciate the sponsorship of KNUST e-learning, Institute of Distant Learning, Dexters, awesome supporters. My name is Dr. Sandra Bankwating of the Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology. I will be the quiz moderator for the first section of day 5. The aim of Jsmq, Junior Science and Maths Quiz, is not just a competition, as we always say. It is tailor-made to help junior high schools at that early age to understand basic principles. And thank you.
Mary Boache.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Supreme Montessori School is represented by
Chris Maninto.
Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. New World School is represented by
Asamoah Caleb. Apia Brittany Ama Brago Bema.
Oh, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Man, a warm clap offering onto them is very crucial, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you for offering the clap generously. Okay, so at this point, before we start, we would want to hear the buzzers. Heritage Baptist Academy, can we kindly hear your buzzer, ladies? Again, please. Heritage again. I wanted Heritage again. Good. Supreme Montessori School. Excellent. Again. Wonderful. New World. Excellent. Again. Good. So we can attest to the fact that our buzzers are working. There will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1, fundamentals. Round 2, fastest finger, fastest brain, fastest finger. Round 3, science and technology challenge. Round 4, DTC, decoding the clues round. My dear contestants, I will be reading the instruction at the beginning of each round. Okay, let's do this. It's helpful. Let's take in the oxygen around us. Breathe in, take it in, release it. Excellent. Let's do it again. It's helpful, trust me. Take it in, release it. We do it a 3rd time. The nerves will come. Take it in, suck in as much as you can, then release it. Excellent. Round 1, fundamentals. So this round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it's incorrectly answered, it becomes available as bonus to the 2 other schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 40 seconds to questions that do require calculations. Has clay. Plot C has loamy soil. After a heavy rain, plot A drains water quickly. Plot B becomes waterlogged. Plot C drains moderately. Plot Yes, and retains moisture evenly. Heritage Baptist Academy. Explain how the soil structure in each plot affects water retention and drainage. Explain it. Bonus, New World.
Okay, so sandy soil contains large
No.
pore
Speak up.
space.
Speak up. Please start again and speak up.
Okay, so the sandy soil contains large pore spaces, meaning the holes in the sandy soil are big, making the water drain fast whenever it rains. And the clay soil has small pore spaces between them, making the water whenever it rains, the soil becomes waterlogged. And the loamy soil has a moderate space between them, making its particle. The loamy soil has moderate space between its particle, making whenever therefore whenever it rains, it has a moderate amount of water
I'll
between
give you
it.
the bonus. Supreme Montessori School. Supreme predicts how soil structure in each plot affects root growth and plant health.
The sandy soil will drain faster. So so the roots can't absorb the water and clearly through is waterlogged. So it's not advisable to to grow plants.
I will end this if you don't answer quickly, please. All right, so with what you said, it doesn't look like you are continuing. The plot A. Please, I'm not passing it as bonus. So with what you said, the plot A was correct, what you mentioned for it. But the plot B, you couldn't define it or explain it well. And you didn't go to the plot C. So I'm giving you 1 out of 3, please. Suggest, New World. Suggest 3 soil management practices to improve crop growth in plot B.
Okay.
Speak up, please. Brittany.
Terracing, mulching, and applying a raised seed bed, making the plot be a raised seed bed.
You said making the plot be a what, please? Can you repeat that?
A raised seed bed.
A raised seed bed. Please, is that what you said? I want to get you. A raised seed bed.
Yes. Seed bed.
Bed, B-E-D. Okay.
Yes.
All right. You were supposed to name 3. So one was mulching. One was raised seed bed, and then the third one was what?
Terracing.
Terracing. Okay. All right. So I'll give you that. So before I go to the question 2, Supreme, you could have just said that the roots may suffocate because of poor erosion. and roots grow well with sufficient air, sufficient water. That's for the C. The one I mentioned earlier was for plot B, and the C, we know that it will grow well. That's simple. Okay, question 2, 40 seconds. There is a preamble to all schools. Preamble to all schools. Residents in a community notice that their drinking water has a strange smell and tastes metallic. Tests show high iron and bacterial content. The local assembly starts a...
Hello.
You said iron? Please, did you say, leave the microphone so that I can hear you. You said what, please?
Alum.
Alum. No, that is not correct. Come again. Time up. New world.
Chlorine.
Chlorine. That is correct. Chlorine is correct. New world school. And please, I repeat, when answering, don't hold the microphone. All right. New world. Explain how chlorine acts as a disinfectant in water treatment.
So with the chlorine,
Leave the microphone.
the chlorine will first kill the germs in the water. After that, after it kills it, it will gather them beneath the container or the barrel the water is inside.
I will give you 2. Gather them beneath. That is not what I'm looking for, please. So I'll give you 2 out of 3. So the chlorine would destroy their cell wall, as you said, killing them, and that would have been excellent. Okay. Why Heritage Baptist? Heritage? Why is understanding water chemistry important for public health?
Is the question again?
Why is understanding water chemistry important for public health?
It helps in growth.
No, please come again. Bonus, new world.
So it will help them to know the type of water suitable to drink to ensure safe growth.
I won't give you that. I won't give you that. Is time up? Okay. All right. Since the time is up, the answer is you just mentioned the chlorination and all that and the reaction. So it cleans the water to help develop purifying. Yes, it helps develop purifying methods, and it cleans the water. And by so doing, it protects the community from those particular microorganisms. All right. Question 3, 15 seconds. 15 seconds. New world. New world. New world. A hospital database keeps the fields: patient's ID, name, age, ward, doctor assigned. A nurse, Miss.
Okay, so the next part, what the nurse did can cause the patients to be given wrong kinds of medication.
Okay. I will give that. I will give that. then it can cause confusion and wrong kind of medication will be given. And immediately is data duplication. Okay, Heritage Baptist. Heritage. A data-based field accepts only numbers between 0 and 100 for students' courses or students' scores. What is this rule called? Hello, ladies. Time bonus supreme.
Data collection.
No. Time up. It is, what is this rule called? It's not data collection. The rule is the validation rule. Please. Supreme. Supreme. In a student database, the head teacher wants to quickly find all students in JHS 3B. What database feature should be used?
Sorting.
No, that is even wrong, and the time is up. Bonus. New world.
So you should view the names individually one by one, or he or she can just zoom it to or adjust it to view the individual scores.
Someone won't give you that, please. It is use filter or query feature. Question 4, 15 seconds. There's a preamble. Preamble to all schools. The planets have the following known moons. The planets have the following known moons. Mars, 2 moons. Jupiter, 79 moons. Saturn, 82 moons. Uranus, 27 moons. Heritage Baptist. Does Uranus have than Jupiter? Excellent, that is right. New world. New world. What is the total number of moons for these 4 planets combined? New world. Yes.
190 moons.
That is excellent. 190 moons. Question 5 for 40 seconds. There's a preamble to all schools. One exterior angle of a triangle is 70 degrees. One of the interior opposite angles is 25 degrees. Now, Supreme, your question. Find the other interior opposite angle.
$35 degrees.
Excellent. New world. Verify that the exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles.
Can you please repeat the question again?
Verify that the exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles.
The sum of the two interior angles is equal to the exterior angle that was given, which is the first one 25 and the second one 45.
Which is equal to
70.
All right, that is correct, Heritage Baptist. Identify the type of triangle. Heritage. You don't have to press, it's your own. Yes, my dear.
Scalene triangle.
No, last chance.
Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle.
Time up, New World.
Isosceles triangle.
No. All right, let's up. Choose. Yeah. Okay, so question 6 is statement. You have to indicate whether true or false, and it's not passed on as bonus unless a school is unable to answer at all. Otherwise, it will not be passed on as bonus. Of course, if it's true, if it's not true, it's false. If it's not false, it's true. So we can do that. We can pass it on. New World. If the selling price of an item is equal to its cost price, there is a loss. True or false?
False.
False. You are right. Heritage. Simple interest is calculated only on the initial principal for the entire period. True or false?
True.
True, you are right. Supreme loss occurs when the selling price is less than the cost price.
False.
I'm so sorry, my dear. It's not false, it's true. Heritage Baptist. Heritage yeast is a type of microorganism used in making bread and alcohol.
Yeast.
You have to tell me true or false, my dear.
False.
I'm so sorry. It is true. It is true. It is used to making these products. Supreme Montessori. Supreme. Viruses are considered living organisms because they can reproduce on their own. True or false?
True.
It's not true. They need a host and use it to replicate, not on their own. New World. Microorganisms can be found in water, in soil, in air, and inside living organisms. True or false?
True.
True. We come to the end of round 1. At the end of round 1, These are our scores. Heritage Baptist Academy 6 points. We clap for them. We clap. Excellent. Supreme Montessori School 7 points. 1 point. Before we start, can we do buzzer check again? Can we do buzzer check again? Please, Heritage, can we hear your buzzer? Again, please. Can we hear that of Supreme? Again. Wonderful. New World. Excellent again. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is extremely crucial that you don't give up. It's just the first round. Don't give up. Wherever you are lying, you can rise up. It's just the first round. Till the contest is over, you are not giving up. You are not giving up. Ladies and gentlemen, please, don't give up. And if you are leading to, you do your best, because the schools, no school is giving up. Excellent. I wish you all the best. All the best. Do you want to do breathing? It's good. Let's do it. Okay, take it in. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and then out. Let's do a third one, please. Breathe in and out. The whole world is watching you. Give off your best. Don't give up. Good. Fastest brain, fastest finger. A plant that can perform photosynthesis. New World.
Autotroph.
No. But still depends on another plant for water and minerals is called. So New World, you are out. Oh, that's the partial parasite or the hemiparasite. Next question. An element has 6 protons. One isotope has a mass number of 12 and another has a mass number of 14. How many neutrons?
So with the first isotope, it has 6 neutrons, and the second isotope has 8 neutrons.
That is correct. Excellent. Next question. A small stone of mass 30 grams is dropped into a measuring cylinder with water. The water rises from 40 centimeter cube to 52 centimeter cube. A second stone of mass 50 grams is dropped and the water rises to 70 centimeter cube. Find the volume of each stone. New World.
The volume of the first one is 12 centimeters cube, and the volume of the second one is 30 centimeters cube.
No. Is available for the other 2 schools, Supreme and Heritage. So you got the first one right, but the second one is 18. 18. And because it's fastest brain, fastest finger, I could not give it to you. All right. Next question. A digital clock shows 10102 base hours in binary. Convert the binary hour to decimal. New World?
9 hours.
No. Supreme and Heritage, are you coming? Heritage.
1.010.
No. So it's 10 base 10 hours, please. 10 base 10 hours. Next question. When a user clicks within a selected text by holding down the left mouse button and then transfers the cursor to a different location within the same document, the text will be New World.
The cell will be copied.
No. Time is up. So it will be moved. It will be moved. You are pressing, transferring, pressing, holding. So it will be moved. All right. So this is like drag. Next question. Which organism causes bilharzia? New World.
Fungi.
No. Yes. Supreme and Heritage. Are you around? It's schistosoma. Next question. A plastic pen on rubbing in the hair attracts pieces of paper. What force is responsible for Supreme?
Electromagnetic force.
No. New World.
Electrostatic force.
Static. That was the word, not magnetic. Electrostatic force. Thank you. That's correct. Next question. A store offers a 10% discount on a laptop. On top of that, there is an additional 5% discount on the discounted price during a special sale. If the final price paid by a customer is 855 cedis, what was the original price of the laptop? At the end of round 2, okay, interesting. Heritage Baptist Academy. I'm sorry, there's 1 point deducted. Supreme Montessori, a point deducted. New World, 3 points. So in all, Heritage has 5 points, Supreme has 6 points, New World 25 points. The heat is still on, but never say never. Never say never. Okay. We want to acknowledge our kind sponsors, organizers, partners. Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, KNUST, is the organizer of the quiz supported by the College of Science, College of Engineering. We do appreciate and acknowledge. This round is powered by Dex Science Sets. The preamble: you are a junior laboratory technician investigating how images are formed in a plane mirror. You are provided with a plane mirror, small objects, a ruler, a sheet of plain paper. Your task 1 is to draw a straight line across your paper and place the mirror upright along that line. Place the object at different distances from the mirror. The distances in mirror. If you move the object closer to the mirror, how does the image change? Why can you see your image clearly in a mirror but not in a rough metal surface? If our dear contestants have all the components as read out, please start work. work, please. Supreme. Leave the work. Time up. Put everything down. Put everything down. Okay. Time up. Please don't touch anything. Leave everything. Leave all the components. All right. Thank you. The scores will be brought shortly. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So, the third round, that is the science and technology round. This is what happened. This is how our school's contestants fared. So, you were given a table to complete it. Heritage Baptist Academy, you had everything right. Supreme Montessori, you could not measure the objects and the image distance. New World had everything correct. The second question, the answer was a smooth surface reflects light regularly, whilst a rough one causes diffuse reflection. And with that, Heritage, unfortunately, were not able to answer. Supreme were able to answer. And New World answered. So, for third round, we have Supreme Montessori coming up with 2 points. We clap for them. Heritage, 4 points. New World, 9 points. 9 points. So, what we have, the scores as it stands, we have Supreme Montessori 8 points, Heritage Baptist Academy 9 points, New World School 34 points. 3-4. Before we move to our next round, we want to give a resounding round of applause to Ariana, being replaced with Bright. You tried. Thank you, my girl. Excellent. Good. Bright, you are warmly welcome. New World School, Caleb. Oh, Caleb. Caleb, thank you. Thank you. Replaced with Gary Shiba. That's a nice name, a mouthful. I hope I didn't mutilate your name. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Immediately you have your seats, you show us your name. Excellent. As beautiful as your name. You are warmly welcome. Warmly welcome. Good. We want to again acknowledge KNUST, College of Science, College of Engineering, our sponsors, our partners, and every well-wisher of Junior Science and Maths. It's round 4. Round 4. Round 4. This round is called Decoding the Clues Round. The question will be read out a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first, is 6 points. On the second is 5 points. On the third is 4. On the fourth and any other indication is 3 points. Contestants, you are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering will disqualify you from that question and will nullify your answer. It's magic. So don't give up. Last round, give off your best. And those who are leading, continue. Round 4. Set 1. So I will be indicating the clue we are on with my finger. So set clue 1, clue 2, like that. Okay, so let's start. I am a widely used term in the field of agriculture and gardening. In horticulture and agriculture, I am a crucial abbreviation. New World.
NPK.
That is excellent. Excellent. NPK. MPK. Set 2. I live quietly inside your computer, helping to keep things in order. Some of us have rules about who can open or change what's inside. Sometimes I hold just a few files. Other times I am filled with work and memories. New world.
Folder.
You are right, Brittany. That is excellent. It is a folder. Set 3. I am well described in scientific literature. New world.
Ideal gas.
Oh, that is excellent. That is correct. Wow. Last set. Supreme. So because I've not started, I will let this go. I have not started. So I've not disqualified you from the set. I have no length, width, or height yet. Supreme.
Circle.
No. Yet I can be measured. My value on earth we come to the end of today's contest. Thank you so much, KNUST, for supporting this contest, for organizing College of Science, College of Engineering. We are so grateful to Eridec Ghana, Gradeco, Nestle, MTN. We are so grateful Dex Technologies, Kesben TV, Kesben Radio. At the end of an exciting contest, extremely exciting, interesting results. At the end of round 4, Heritage had no points, Supreme had no points, New World School had 19 points. So in total we had 8 for Supreme, 9 for Heritage, New World 53 points.